In this video, we will learn how to turn on or turn off silent or airplane mode in an iPhone SE 2026. So this is iPhone SE first generation phone. In market, there are several colors of iPhone SE 2026 are available, but for any colors of phone, the process is exactly same as I am showing here. So to turn on silent mode, this side, if you see this way, then it means the ring mode is on, but to turn on silent mode you need to slide down. Now you can see the pink color. If you see the pink color, that means the silent mode is on. In silent mode you can receive call or messages, but the phone will not make any sound. Now to go back ring mode, slide it up like this way. Now ring mode is back. Now to turn on airplane mode, what you need to do, slide up like this way, and here is the airplane mode. So if you click this one, now airplane mode is on. In airplane mode you will not receive call or messages at all. Now to go back normal mode, again tap this one, then it go back to normal mode. So that's it. Thanks for watching.